Hello and welcome to the Tigre.pup channel. Okay, so in this video I'll be trying to build a body, a drag body. So if you would like to see how I try or attempt to accomplish this, then please keep watching. Oh, and viewer discretion is advised because I'll be in my underwear. Okay, so I'm just going to give you a warning off top. This is going to be me in my dad body, and I'm pretty out of shape. So if you don't want to see that, then please click off the video now. So right here, I'm just showing you the instructions for using a bra, because I got a bra. And you need your measuring tape. You're going to measure your rib cage, I guess, underneath your nipples. So what I got, what you do is okay, so it goes like this. If you have an odd number, which in my case I'll have an odd number because it's like 37, and then you add 5, so that makes me 42. So when I look for a bra size, I have to get one that's 42 inches bandwidth. And because I don't have any breasts, I get to choose which cup size I want. So that's what I'm going to be doing here. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks. Okay, so I was in search of a padded bra, and I found one on Etsy. And the company of this company is called Stuffedbras. So this is my correspondence with the lady. She was very helpful. Her name was Bonnie. So if you ever get a chance, just go ahead and check her out and see what she's got going on. This is my first bra, so I didn't want anything too expensive. You know how they have the silicone and all of that stuff going on. And those are like over $100 and stuff. And I'm just getting started into this. This is basically for my videos. So right now I'm just starting off real cheap. So I just showed you the correspondence. Apparently at this time they only had the double D, 42 double D. I don't know, but it was all they had available. Well, no, I didn't have the double D. Yeah, no, the only option I had in my particular bandwidth was the double D. And yeah, we're gonna take a look and see what that looks like. We're just talking here. If you want, just pause the video and just kind of like read it if you want to. But basically she's helping me decide you know, what to get and things like that, because I was a little bit confused. I don't know why you have to add all of that stuff up just to get a bra size. You need before you even get your cup size, you first need your bandwidth. That's what I'm realizing. So yeah, that's what we got going on here. Okay, so here is the bra itself, and as you can see, it's padded, and it goes this way, not the other way, and it has these little hooks in the back. You get 3 rows of that, and you get 3 on each row, and you just have to hook it on. Okay, so here is me trying on the bra. I keep doing it upside down for some reason. So I'm trying to give you an idea of what you can expect when you try one. So I guess you just slip it on, because like who's going to be able to hook that stuff in the back anyway? Anyway, so I'm just putting it on here, and the band is not too tight. It's okay, because I hear sometimes you get one and it's digging into your ribs and everything. So I didn't want that. So I just followed the directions. And this is what we're looking like so far. I feel like I look like a linebacker, like they're just entirely too big for my body size, body type, whatever. So here's a close-up of what it looks like now. Like I said, it looks like I'm wearing football gear. Just my opinion. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks. Okay, so right here I have some cross-dresser hip and butt shaper. And here is the information I got here. My waist is like a 31 now, so I had to get the large, and this is what it's looking like. I don't understand if this is supposed to be for cross dressers. Why are they using an actual woman as the model? Because it's kind of deceptive, because she naturally has hips anyway. You know what I'm saying? So it just doesn't make any sense. So this is what the item is supposed to look like once you get it in the mail. And this is the result you're supposed to get once you use it. This is what the pad looks like and everything. I don't know. I think that's kind of deceptive that they would use a woman. Not to take away jobs from women or anything, but I'm just saying it just doesn't make any sense to me. And you clearly see it says cross-dresser hip enhancer. So they could have at least used a man. So I'm just giving you like a description of pictures and everything of what's being offered in this particular listing. I think that's what they call it on eBay, because I had gotten this off eBay. And here's the price. I paid like $28.99 and free shipping, and how long it took to arrive at my home. And it's called shapewear, and it says opacity is transparent. And here is all the claims that it has. I think I had gotten I want to say a large. Yeah, I think I said that already, because my waist was 31, and I think the option for 31 is a large. So that's what I got here. And this seller has a very positive rating. So it comes in this little aluminum. I don't know if that's aluminum, but it's silver packaging, and we're gonna cut it open and try not to cut the actual product itself, and have a look of what's going on inside. Okay, so there's nothing else in the bag, and it's nicely wrapped. It looks very sanitary. And here is our hip and butt padding, which isn't very much. As you can see here, it's pretty thin. And so that's what the padding looks like. I'm just taking it out so you can take a look. It's pretty thin. I mean, like I said, I think this is actually for women who want a little bit of something going on but don't want too much. Just showing you the pocket here, which is going to be the same thing on the other side. So yeah, this is what the padding looks like inside out, so you can see what it looks like. And as you can see, I got one on each side. Just taking it out, letting you see what it looks like. And it's like a cloth type of material. So if you ever get it wet, I mean, it's gonna be absorbent, soaking wet. Yeah, so I'm just putting it back into its place. Okay, so I didn't read the instructions for either one of these products, and I put it in the wash. As you can see, my pads, the actual coating came off, I guess. And the same thing with the bra, it actually had bust at one of the what you call it, the sides or whatever. Just showing you what the underwear looks like after you wash it, because I like to wash my stuff before I wear it. Yeah, so I'm putting the pads back in, and we're going to take a look at everything in the video. Okay, so here's what we're starting off looking like. You see I got a big belly and I got no ass. Yep, so that's what we got going on right here. Yeah, and it wasn't always this way. I was a time when I was actually pretty too skinny, so now I'm too big, so you just can't win, can you? So right here I'm just applying my padded underwear, trying to see which side is the front, which side is the back. Not gonna lie, when I put these on, there was like so many threads popping at the waist area. I thought it was gonna break or something like that, so it clearly couldn't have been a 31 in the waist. They made it tighter, I guess, to try to like cinch in your stomach, but clearly that didn't work. It helped a little bit, but for the most part my stomach looks the same, and it has a little bit of stuff going on with the sides mostly, and not so much in the back and ass. Okay, so up next is going to be the bra and the underwear, shapewear at the bottom. Just kind of giving you a total view of what we got going on here, and this is the completed look for this video. I'm not too pleased, but we're gonna work on that. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.